Well, this is not something you see every day. Yes, it's a Nimbus Grey Audi TT Mark 1, but it has a difference. This car is a production car that has been retro engineered and turned into a replica of the Audi TT Mark 1 concept. So let's take a quick look at it and also speak to its creator, Jos.
This is the original Roadster concept from 1995, the car that Jos has based his homage on. Audi had already debuted the coupe at the Frankfurt Motor Show earlier in 1995, but the Roadster made its first appearance in Tokyo in late October of the same year. The car stood out thanks to its clean, geometric styling and Bauhaus-inspired design, something that gave the coupe a suitable foil on its production release in 1998. While an excellent concept, Audi had not yet finalised the placement of side mirrors, opting for these on-stalk small pods mounted on triangular metal supports that framed the windows. The side vents would disappear from the wings, instead opting for the minimalist Bauhaus streamlined look on the production model. The roll hoops that would go on to find their way into the production variant were not structural in the concept model, instead relying on fabricated steel tubing showpieces. Small refinements would be made, but it is striking and somewhat surprising how similar the production Roadster was to the initial concept.
So this is the marvellous creator of this amazing car, Jos. So Jos, why did you do this car?
Because I like this car, of course, like everyone who sees this YouTube channel. I am a designer, I'm an architect, and in 1995, when the prototype was launched in Tokyo from the Roadster, I said to myself, I want this car when it's going to production. And in 1989, this is one of the rare and very unique cars that almost unchanged by prototype to production car. And there are a few cars who ever made it. So it's so unique that a designer's car doesn't have to have compromises in the practice. So I thought, when I bought this car as a production car, then it should be easy to recreate the concept,
Yes.
turn the things around,
Yes.
like a tribute and a homage to the designers, because designers always has to compromise in practice.
Yes.
And I want to make tribute as far as possible financially, constructively, and of course I have to drive it daily, so
Yes.
you have always the MOT behind you.
Yes, agreed. Yes.
As far as possible, make the changes to the production.
Okay.
From
So
production to concept.
can we look at some of the changes on this car that you have engineered or retro engineered into it? Yeah.
I
So
will. One of the most things that you see is the side fence and the opening for that. In the production is closed with a little light on it. So this is handmade, 3D printed, and the most unique part.
okay.
When you go further, you see that the production mirror has gone away, and we put a little mirror on the side window.
Okay. So this has
This
been.
is all cut in metal, glued on, and to make it as far as possible as a prototype.
And I understand when the Audi were designing this car, when they put these mirrors on, they didn't have an idea how they were going to mount the mirrors. And is that correct? Why they mounted it in this way?
Because when you make an accident, it can break the glass, and it's about safety regulars.
Was this a feature on the original concept?
Yes, because in original concept they had also no roof, just to make the Roadster as far as different as the coupe. So of course there's all the construction about the soft top. We hide it with a polyester and a matted leg, because the top is in matted and the base is in matted leg.
Okay. Now the seats in the original concept were slightly different, same colour as these baseball stitch interior, but slightly different. But that's one area that's not quite as it would be, but it's very close.
Yeah, we didn't change the interior because the cost stopped somewhere. The only thing we changed were the white gauges here.
See that?
That's the only thing we changed. But
Okay.
that's a project for later.
Yeah. And then on the back here, where the
Yeah.
roof would go, you have this polyester.
Yeah, this
thin?
is in the prototype. It's one fluid line, and there is no tonneau cover. There's no soft top. No, we only want to make it as far as possible to show the clean lines. And the guy I collaborated, Niels van Rooij Design from Holland, is a very good car designer, and we collaborated together with his firm AutoForma. You see the plates, and yeah, we pay tribute to the original designers.
Okay.
You see the
yeah, so they're enclosed.
the exhausts
is
were
enclosed.
put higher and closed in the diffuser.
Okay.
That's very special.
Okay.
And very particular, this kind of thing. This was on the prototype, just as a show thing, to make air cooling down the brakes.
Wow.
To put it here, but it's just a showpiece. It's not workable.
Okay.
But in the production, it's they didn't make it.
Fantastic.
And it's lowered. It's widered.
And
What
of
can I
course,
t-
it has, as the original car when it went to production, it had no rear spoiler. And again, this
Yeah.
car doesn't. And I think that really adds to the look of this concept
Yeah.
car recreation.
And what one of the few design things is that this part is exactly an opposite copy of this part. Not
Okay.
that people know
Didn't
that.
know that. I did not know that.
When you see the side view, you see, and that's the typical the Bauhaus design, symmetrical design.
Yes.
You see there's a straight line, and you see that part of the front lights and the back lights are exactly the same shape.
Yes, I see that now.
Even you
I'd
don't
never
know
seen that. I'd never seen that
That's
before.
designing.
That's amazing.
That's
Yeah,
designing.
I've learned something new today.
Yeah, that's nice.
I
Yeah?
love
Yeah.
that.
So it's a tribute, an homage for colleague designers from
beautiful.
Audi. We met some designers. Peter Schleier we met. It's unspeakable language between designers.
Jos, I want to thank you.
Thank you also.
Amazing for meeting him today and talking me through this as a car designer
Yeah.
and a fellow enthusiast and sharing his beautiful car with us. So I want to thank you so much.
It's the same to you.
Thanks again. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Let's take another walk around this amazing car and look at some of the fine details that didn't make it to the production model.